Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Melbet bonus. This is really easy, but before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional Melbet account. To do this, you will click on register. Next, you will click on full. Here you're going to enter all your personal information, and at the promo code section you're going to enter the promo code CAMTV. By using this promo code, you will get 300% bonus. So if you recharge your account with $50, you will get $150. All you have to do is to click on the menu icon at the bottom right. Now you're going to click on promo, and you're going to find out all of these options like promo games, promo code check, cashback, and much more. You're going to click on bonuses. Now you're going to click on bonus games. As you can see at the top, I have 200 promo points, but in order to get this promo point, in order to get bonuses, I'm going to simply click on bonus games. Now I find out all of these bonus games to which I can play in order to get more bonus points. So you're simply going to play them by topping up your account with money. This will permit you to get promo points that when accumulate will permit you to get much more bonuses and earn more on the 1xBet platform. And this is really good because by using the promo code mentioned earlier, you get double the money, so you can play much more and get much more bonus and earn much more on the 1xBet platform. And it's as simple as that.